Hey, how's it going, guys? Here I have a Mul-T-Lock Junior. This is a 5-pin pin-and-pin dimple lock. We'll go ahead and pick it open, take it apart, see how it all works. So I'm going to start by inserting the Z-wrench, and I like to go clockwise with my tension on these. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a flat flag, and what I'm going to do is move along the left side of that keyway along that tension wrench. I'll pick the outer pins first. Once I get those, I'm going to get my false set, and then I'm going to finish up by checking all the inner pins. So one feels set. Actually, there we go. One is set now. Nothing on two. Way through, I think I might have overset one already. Let's go ahead and give ourselves a fresh start there. There we go, small click out of one. There we go. Two is set. Counter rotation on three. Got it set. Number four, counter rotation on four. I got four set. Now on to five. Counter rotation on five. Now I got five set. I'm just going to go back to one, see, make sure I have everything set. I think I have one set. I don't know if that's counter rotation or just a plug movement. So I'm going to go ahead and move to the other side. And then I like to pick from this side secondly, so that way any sort of true counter rotation will be a lot more apparent than me just physically churning the core myself by trying to pick it in this direction. So I'm just going to give this a wiggle, and it doesn't feel like it's giving me any counter rotation. Just check that one last time. Yeah, that feels pretty set right there. So I'm going to switch over to my small flag, and I'm going to try and get those inner pins. So there's a little click in one. I'm on two. Nothing on three. Four. Five. Back to one. Okay, so it looks like that inner pin was holding us up, and now we're held up on maybe just one of those inner pins. Checking two, three, four, five. There we go. We're stuck on number five. So let's go ahead and pop this open. I'm going to go ahead and close this back up since I do have a key. So we need a Phillips screwdriver to get this open. Get myself a follower for this. Is this one gonna fit? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this. Just gotta make sure that pin is set properly. There we go. So I'm gonna turn this about 45 degrees there. And that'll allow me to push out the core without the pins getting stuck in that little channel right there. Oops, there's some inner pins there. See if I can get some more light in here. Let's get plenty of light in here. How about that? There we go. So there are all of our key pins with their inner pins, associated inner pins. So we have what looks like torpedoes in pin spaces numbers 1, 3, standard pins in numbers 2, 3, and 2, 4, and 5. Let's see what's up above here. We have a spool in number 1. Standard in number 2. Spool in number 3. Spool in 4. We got a spool in number 5. Of course, you're not going to see anything strange in terms of springs. They're all just going to be the standard springs up here. Alright, so that's what we got. Again, just to give you a quick look. We have 2 sort of torpedo-shaped pins in slots numbers 1 and 2, 3. Standard pins in numbers 2, 4, and 5. And we got spool drivers in slots numbers 1, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys later. See ya.